Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope so. You are fine and safe at home. Very good. So, I'm here back with a new video. That is a math video. Before that, I want to revise you. I want to know that whether you went through the phonic video. Did you understand the video very well? Very good, children. If you know, keep on revising the video. Just keep on seeing the videos, okay? Then only you'll come to know the sounds and how to make the sound as a word. Very good, children. Now you'll do it. I know you will do it very well. Now I'm back with a new video as a math video. Okay. First of all, I have to ask you, we'll revise number from 51 to 80. Can we? Can we revise numbers 51 to 80? Good, children. Okay. So before going that, can we write the date? Today's date. You know what is today's date? I'll tell you, okay? It is 2/8/28. Then after that, what do you have to do? Put a dash. Then which month? This is the 7th month. So you have to write 7 over here. Very good. Then after that again you have to put a dash. Then which is the year? 2020. 2020. Good. You have to write the date first. Now, what is the day today day? You know there are 7 days in a week. First is Sunday. Yesterday was Monday. So today, good. Today is Tuesday. 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 Very good. Now, I'll give you some numbers, okay? You have to tell me. You can recognize these numbers? Very good. Now, we'll start, okay? Now, what is 5? 5. What is 5? 55. Very good. What is 5/8? 58. Very good, children. Now, what number is this? 6 to 62. Very good. What number is this? 67. Yes. Now, what is this? What number is this? Do you know? Yes, you know, na children? 70. What number is this now? 74. This 79. What number is this? 80. Very good, children. I hope so you remember all these numbers and all from 51 to 80. Good, children. So now, children, today we are going to start with a new number. That is from 81 to 90. Okay, from 81 to 90. So can we start, children? First one is 81. 81. 82. 82. 82. 8, 3, 83. 8, 4. What is 8, 4? 84. Very good. Now what number is this? 8, 5. 85. After 85, what number will come? Yes. 8, 6. 86. Good children. 8, 7. 87. 8, 8. What is 8, 8 called? 88. What is 8, 8 called? 88. Now, 8, 9. 89. What is the last number? 90. 90. Okay, children. So, you are going to revise one more time. Okay? Tell after me. Okay? 81. 81. Say 81. 81. Next. 82. 82. What number is this? 82. 82. Very good. 83. 83. Say again. 83. 83. Yes, after 83 what will come? Yes. 84. 84. Very good children. Now what is the next one? 85. 85. After 85, what is this? 86. What is 86 called? 86. Yes. Now after 86, what number is here? 87. What is called? 87. 87. Very good children. Next, 88. There are two 8. So what do you have to say? 88. Good children. What is this? 88. Okay. Now after this again. 8, 9. What is 8, 9 called? 89. Then 90. What is 90? 90. Very good children. Keep revising this. Children, you have to keep on revising these numbers. Okay. That is 81 to 90. Okay. இது படிச்சிட்டே இருங்க. Okay. Now we'll move on to math note. Okay. Math note. Can you take your math notebook? This is your math notebook. Square note. Okay. Take your math note. Pencil sharp and an eraser. Come on. Very good children. Take your note. Okay children. You have taken your math note? Good children. Huh? Very good. Now, what do you have to do after taking your math note? What do you have to write first? First, you have to write the date over here. You know what is today's date? I have written on the board. What is today's date? 28/28 7 2020. The same thing you have to write in the math note over here. Okay, can we write now? 28/28. Yes. Then dash. Then what will come? 7. Then again a dash. Then 20. Very good children. After writing the date, now what you have to write over here? What do you have to write over here? Yes, your name you have to write. You have to write your name. Okay. Now you have to keep your 2-finger gap and start writing. Okay. What do you have to write? 81 to 90. Yes, now you have to write 81. Next, what will come? Say and write, children. Say and write. What number is this? 81. What will come after that? 82. Ma solli elthninga da varu illana varadu. Solli elthunga, okay? After that, 83. Next, what will come? 84. Now, 85. 86. After 86, what number will come? 87. Yes, 87. Now this, what is this number called? 88. After 88, 89. Then what will come after 89? Huh? It is 90. Children, see, you have to write like that, okay? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Okay? Now, I am going to keep one dots and all. Write 81, leave one box. Then keep a dot over here. Then again leave one box. Keep a dot. 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 Okay. Here all you have to write the same numbers. This is as a homework. Okay. Ingella dot vechirukala. இதெல்லாம் நீங்க எழுதணும். நீங்களே எழுதணும். 81 to 90. Okay. இதுதான் homework உங்களோடது. So children, this is the way you have to write. Okay. Where all the dots are there, you have to write this in your math notebook. Okay. In your math notebook, that is 180 pages. You have to write 2 times in your math notebook. One this page. And next, again, write the date. Again, write 81 to 90. The same way you have to write. Okay. Put the dot and write 81 to 90. Good children, this is your homework. HW, homework. Okay. This you have to write 2 times, okay? Children, I hope so. This video is very clear for you for your math homework and all. Okay? You have to revise these numbers 81 to 90. Keep revising and write 2 times in your math notebook. Okay? You have to write 2 times in your math notebook, that is 180 pages. Very good children. Write neatly, okay? Bye. Take care.